Here we have a Carrier, 2012 Carrier, what year is this from? A 2000 Carrier, and 2 Lennox units. The model number on the Lennox, on the first Lennox unit is HS26-048-3Y. The serial number is 5800D23798. And is this guy a heat pump? Can't tell. And this one's model number is HS26-036-2Y. This and the serial number is 5800A07407. Now we have the 2000 Carrier. The serial number is 1200E08256. Model number is 38EZA60300. Unsure if this is a heat pump or straight cool. Can't quite see down in there due to a fan blade. And here's the 2012 Carrier. With this one replaced another Lennox or an older Carrier. The serial number is 2212E04837. That's the serial number. The model number is 24ABB360A320. These units are actually very nicely installed. And over here we have a really big and really old Carrier commercial unit. Here's just a look at the fans on the top of it. You can see how they're mounted in there. This is an old Carrier. Then over here we have a Lennox, a Carrier, a Goodman, dead branch right here, an ICP unit, and another Carrier. I'm not really going to go to these because of all the ivy. I don't really want to step in. Plus, I actually ran into this branch right here. But Carrier, Gemini, some Lennox, a Lennox, an ICP, another Carrier, and a Goodman right over here. This is all at church. And you want proof that this huge unit right here is a Carrier? Right over here, there's a faded Carrier logo. It's actually a very large one, never seen it run, but it's hooked up to power. And these 2 units are running. So, some air conditioners at a church. Over and out.